Hello, and welcome to the Superb AI Academy. My name is Sam, and today I'll be talking about how to annotate Pointcloud data in our label module. When I open a Pointcloud label in edit mode, this will be the default layout. We can see the main view in the middle, as well as the X, Y, and Z views at the bottom. We'll return to these later when annotating. If a reference image has been uploaded along with the Pointcloud data, we'll see this in the top right here. Looking at the main view, we can see our origin point and our axes, as well as the field of view of the attached camera in blue. We can rotate the view using the middle mouse button, pan using the right mouse button, and zoom using the mouse wheel. We can also use the axes diagram in the bottom right to quickly snap to specific views. If there is more than one frame included, we can jump between frames using the next frame and previous frame buttons at the bottom, or using their respective hotkeys. Let's add an annotation to this image. I'll select the person cuboid annotation and add one to the image, roughly placing it around one of these people. Once I place an annotation or highlight an existing annotation, it will show up in the image view in the top right, as well as the X, Y, and Z views in the bottom. Let's adjust this annotation using all of our views. First, let's correct the rotation to match the direction this person is walking. We can select Edit Rotation from the toolbar, or use the Edit Rotation hotkey to open the rotation view. Now, let's adjust the scale and translation. We can use the scale and rotation buttons on the toolbar. I'm going to use hotkeys to swap between manipulating scale and rotation, as well as referencing the views at the bottom to make sure my adjustments are correct. As you can see, I can also adjust directly using the views at the bottom. Now, let's look at editing across frames. We can manually add annotations to each frame, but we can also copy and interpolate from existing annotations. Let's jump to the third frame and copy the annotation we created. As you can see, we can either copy the annotation to just this frame or to all intervening frames. In this case, we'll be interpolating the intervening frames, so let's just copy it to the third frame. Now we can quickly adjust its translation using the Y view to match the new position of the person. And there we go. Finally, let's use these two frames to interpolate the object in the second frame. We'll set the first and third frames as keyframes using the keyframe button here. And then click Interpolate. We see that an annotation has been added to the second frame, and it only requires a slight correction to match the person. That's it for this video of the Superb AI Academy. Take care, and I'll see you next time.